Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in how to make this twice baked loaded baked potato casserole, just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're starting out with 8 russet potatoes. And we're going to clean them. To clean them, I'm just putting on some apple cider vinegar and some warm water to loosen up the dirt and most importantly, kill off any kind of bacteria. Alright, and then I'm going to do that for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to dry the potatoes and lay them on a pan on top of some parchment paper. Then I'm going to stab some holes in it with a fork and drizzle some olive oil on it. Spread it around, make sure the olive oil is spread evenly. Then I'm going to put these potatoes into a 400 Fahrenheit degree oven for 45 minutes, flipping them over halfway. Now I'm taking some cheese and some bacon that I diced and fried. And I'm going to mix that together. Alright. And that warm bacon is going to get that cheese nice and soft. And I'm going to add in some green onion. And we're going to mix that all together. Alright, now that our potatoes are out the oven, I'm going to let them cool for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to chop them into bite-sized pieces like this. Alright, now they're all chopped. I'm going to put them into a bowl here. Alright, now I'm going to add in some sour cream, some cream cheese, softened butter, minced garlic, and salt and pepper. Alright, and we're going to mix that all up really well for about 2 minutes to make sure everything is spread evenly, guys. That's very important. Alright, now everything is all mixed up. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this into an oven safe dish. I did oil the bottom of this dish with a little olive oil. And we're just going to place those potatoes in there evenly. And then remember that mixture we made earlier? We're going to pour that cheese, bacon, onion mixture on top. Spread it on there evenly. Then we're going to put aluminum foil over it and we're going to put this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. We're going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Alright, then we're going to take it out after 30 minutes, take the top off, and then put it back in the oven for 10 minutes to let the cheese get brown. And then voila. So it took about 40 minutes in total to bake. And you see that cheese is nice and ooey gooey, got a nice color to it. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut in, guys. This is so good. I wanted to do something different for Thanksgiving this year. Instead of macaroni and cheese, I decided to do a loaded baked potato casserole. It is so delicious. So many flavors. It tastes just like a good baked potato that you put sour cream, butter, and cheese in, guys. But it's for everybody. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys. And I like hearing from you guys, and thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.